risk-based cleaning validation creates delays, inconsistencies, and compliance risk. It's time to modernize your cleaning validation process, from initial design to continuous monitoring, using intelligent workflows and centralized data control. ValGenesis iClean is purpose-built for cleaning validation, combining automation, scientific justification, and risk-based control to deliver compliance excellence and process consistency. iClean automates MACO calculation and residual limit management, applies scientifically justified worst-case assessments, visualizes sampling in 2D and 3D, and streamlines change control through structured impact analysis, all within a single, integrated application. Centralize your cleaning validation data, linking agents, equipment, and methods, and scale consistent practices across every site. Ensure audit readiness with automated documentation, real-time compliance dashboards, and traceable deviation-aware audit trails. ValGenesis iClean, the smart, compliant, and consistent way to streamline cleaning validation and stay inspection ready.